So it just rolled out today, creating a customized version of ChatGPT for a specific purpose. I mean, wow. So I can take all those custom instructions and basically build myself a custom helper. So here you go. I've got a helper here for my HOA that I'm just going to upload PDF documents to and then be able to ask questions. And you simply edit that GPT. And if you go into configure, you'll see the name, the description, instructions, which I added. If there's a section in the document, I want it to specifically answer that. Conversation starters. You can upload files for knowledge. Web browsing, DALL-E, code interpreter. May not need DALL-E and code interpreter for this, right? But you definitely want the PDF documents. You can add actions. And then you've got, your privacy settings here. So use conversation data to improve your model. So it depends on what your GPT is doing. So in this one, I couldn't care less. But in other stuff, you actually might not want it to improve models. And then if you go up here, this is fascinating. You can upload a photo. Cool. Or you can just select use DALL-E and it will go ahead and create an icon for you to use. So you have choices. Or you can just go to regular chat and create your own icon and upload it in there. So here you've got instructions, conversation. You have everything to create your own GPT, your own custom instructioned version of GPT. And then obviously you have delete. But when you update, you can say only to me, only the people with the link, which I'm sure have to have a paid account in order to, get this into their sidebar, and then public, which I'm guessing is there's a GPT store there that pops out for you, and you've got it right there. But when you go back and you look, you'll see these GPTs, your custom ones now on the sidebar. So I've got regular chat here, but then I can chat with my HOA helper that I just created. And then what I'll do is I'll just create a bunch more, and they'll be based upon the Notion templates that I have where I've got custom instructions for very specific personas, YouTube Shorts creator or something like that. So that's a pretty big game changer.